So just a quick little video on how I've done the clip-on oiler for my Prusa MK3. Still have because I print so much, maybe more than most people, a lot of PLAs do tend to jam, especially if the particular design has a lot of retractions, and especially when it's printing that new infill pattern. But I just take a piece of paper towel, or in this case I have a piece of microfiber like you clean your glasses with, and put a few drops of oil in and let it soak into the cloth so it's not just an oily spot. Then I clip around it with, well, let's just take it off. You can see just with a clothespin, because it's got a built-in gap, and that way it can't actually ever pinch the filament, because that gap would be right there, and you can just keep it on there. I've never had a part go weak or fall apart. You're not using that much oil. It's such a small trace amount that that isn't an issue. Initially I was using the super lube with the PTFE in it, and that worked great. When that ran out and I wanted to keep printing, I just started taking a few squirts of WD-40. And it's such a small amount, again, you don't even smell it. You figured you'd smell it burning, going through it. You're not. If you're running that much oil through it, you're not doing it right and using way too much. Just needs a little hint. You can't even see it on this cloth, but it's there, and it's enough to keep everything working. So, as crazy as I've always thought it would be putting oilers on the filament, it's just about the only thing I found that makes this work reliably with PLA without hanging up, and a few other filaments too.